Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed few problems. In this session also, we shall continue to solve few more problems. Find the seventh term in 3x square minus y by 3 whole power 9. Comparing this problem with x plus a whole power n. So, x is nothing but 3x square and a is nothing but minus y by 3 and n is 9. Also, r plus 1 will be equal to 7. R plus 1 equals 7. So, this implies r will be equal to 6. We know that TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. So, r is 6. So, T r is 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to NCR, n is 9, C 6 into x, x is nothing but 3x square whole power n minus r, n is 9 minus r, r is 6 into a power r, a is minus y by 3, r is 6. So, T7 is equal to 9C6 into 3x square, 9 minus 6 is 3 into minus y by 3 whole power 6. So, T7 is equal to 9C6 is nothing but 9C3 into 3 cube is 27 into x power 6 into minus whole power 6 is plus y power 6 by 3 power 6. So, T7 is equal to 9C3 is 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 27 x power 6 y power 6 by 3 power 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 3 power 5. So, T7 is equal to 4 7s are 28 into 27 into x power 6 into y power 6 divided by 3 power 5. T7 is equal to 28 into 27 can be written as 3 cube into x power 6 into y power 6 divided by 3 power 5. T7 equals 28 into 3 power 3 into x power 6 into y power 6 divided by 3 power 5 can be written as 3 cube into 3 square. 3 cube and 3 cube will get cancelled. So, that will be equal to 28 x power 6 y power 6 divided by 3 square is 9. That completes this problem. Find the 11th term in x plus 1 by root x whole power 14. Comparing the given problem with x plus a whole power n, then x is x and a is 1 by root x and n is 14 and r plus 1 will be equal to 11. That implies r will be equal to 10. So, we know that TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. This is the general term of the expansion of x plus a whole power n. So, we have to substitute the values of x, a, n and r in the general term. So, we have T 10 plus 1 is equal to n is 14, c, r is 10 into x is x itself, power n minus r, n is 14 minus r is 10 into a is 1 by root x whole power r is 10. So, T11 is equal to 14C10 can be written as 14C4 by using the formula NCR is equal to NCn minus R, that is 14 minus 10 we get 4 into x power 14 minus 10 is 4 into 1 by root x can be written as x power half whole power 10. So, T11 is equal to 14C4 is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into x power 4 into 1 by x to the power of half can be written as x power minus half, that is x power minus half whole power 10. So, that will be equal to 4 3s are 12 and 12 will get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 7s are. So, 7 into 13 into 11 into x power 4 into a power m whole power n is a power mn. By using the theory of indices, this can be written as x power minus 10 by 2. So, T11 is equal to 7 into 13 into 11 into x power 4 into x minus 5. So, T11 is equal to 7 into 13 into 11 is 1001. X power 4 into x power minus 5 is x power 4 minus 5. A power m into a power n is equal to a power of m plus n by using theory of indices. So, T11 is equal to 1001 into x power minus 1. So, T11 is equal to 1001 by x. That completes this problem. Middle term or terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. Regarding the middle term in the expansion x plus a whole power n, we have first one, if n is even then there will be one middle term. The middle term is given by middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1th term. So, middle term is given by n by 2 plus 1th term. Case 2, if n is odd, then there will be two middle terms, that is n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. That is, if n is odd, then there will be two middle terms. So, one term will be n plus 1 by 2th term and another one middle term is n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. So, there will be two middle terms in the expansion if n is odd. Suppose if n is even, then there will be one middle term, that is given by n by 2 plus 1th term. We shall solve few problems on finding the middle term of the given expansion. Find the middle term in the expansion of x minus 1 by 2y whole power 10. Here n equals 10 even. Therefore, the middle term is n by 2 plus 1 the term. So, that will be equal to, so n is 10 by 2 plus 1th term. That will be equal to 10 by 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6th term. Therefore, the middle term of this expansion is the 6th term. That is, we have to find T6. So, comparing the given problem with x plus a whole power n. So, x is x itself and a is nothing but minus 1 by 2y and n will be equal to 10. R plus 1 will be equal to 6. So, R will be equal to 5. We know that TR plus 1 will be equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. We have to substitute the values of r, n, x, a. So, we have t, r is 5. So, 5 plus 1 is equal to, so n is 10. So, it is 10C5 into x is x itself and 10 minus r is 5 into a. So, a is minus 1 by 2y whole power r is 5. So, T6 is equal to 10C5 into x power 5 into, so minus 1 whole power 5 is minus 1 by 2 power 5 into y power 5. T6 is equal to minus 10C5 into x power 5 divided by 2 power 5 is 32 y power 5. So, the middle term of the expansion is the sixth term and it is nothing but minus 10C5 into x power 5 divided by 32 y power 5. Therefore, the middle term is minus 10C5 into x power 5 divided by 32 y power 5. That completes this problem. Find the middle term in the expansion of a by 3 plus b by 3 whole power 8. Here n equals 8, that is even. Therefore, there will be one middle term in the given expansion. So, middle term equals n by 2 plus 1th term. So, that is equal to, so here n equals 8 by 2 plus 1th term. So, 8 by 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, middle term will be the 5th term. That is, we have to find T5. Comparing the given expansion with x plus a whole power n. So, we have x is a by 3 and a is b by 3 and n is 8. Of course, r plus 1 is 5, that is r plus 1 is equal to 5 implies r will be equal to 4. We know that Tr plus 1 will be equal to NCr into x power n minus r into a power r. So, substituting the values of x, a, n and r in the general expansion. So, we get T of r is 4 plus 1 is equal to n is 8c, r is 4, that is 8c 4 into x, x is a by 3 into n. So, n is 8 minus r is 4 into a is b by 3 whole power 4, that because r is 4. So, T5 is equal to 8c4 into a by 3 whole power 4 into b by 3 whole power 4. T5 is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So, this is nothing but 8c4 into a power 4 by 3 power 4 into b power 4 by 3 power 4. 4 2s are 8 and 8 and 8 will get cancel. 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 5s are 10. 10 into 7 is 70. That is 70 a power 4 b power 4 divided by 3 power 8. So this is nothing but 70 a power 4 into b power 4 divided by 6561. Therefore, middle term equals 70 a power 4 b power 4 divided by 6561. That completes this problem. Find the middle terms in the expansion of 3x minus 2 by x square whole power 15. Here n is equal to 15, which is nothing but odd. Therefore, there are two middle terms in the given expansion. So, middle terms are given by n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. So, n equals 15. Therefore, 15 plus 1 by 2th term and 15 plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. So, 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 by 2 is 8th term and 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 2 8. 8 plus 1 is 9th term. Therefore, middle terms are 8th term and 9th term. That is, we have to find T8 and T9. So, comparing the given expansion with x plus a whole power n, we have x is 3x and a is minus 2 by x square and n is 15. We know that TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. So, substituting the values of x, a and n in the general term. So, TR plus 1 is equal to n is 15 CR into 3x whole power 15 minus r, a power r. So, a is minus 2 by x square whole power r. TR plus 1 is equal to 15 CR into 3 power 15 minus r into x power 15 minus r into minus 2 whole power r by x power 2 whole power r. So, TR plus 1 is equal to 15 CR into 3 power 15 minus r into minus 2 whole power r into x to the power of 15 minus r divided by x power 2r. So, Tr plus 1 is equal to 15 Cr into 3 power 15 minus r into minus 2 whole power r into x to the power of 15 minus r minus 2r. I have used the formula a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So, Tr plus 1 is equal to 15 Cr into 3 power 15 minus r into minus 2 whole power r into x power 15 minus 3r. We call this one as 1. Now, our aim is to find the middle terms of this expansion. In this problem, the middle terms are T8 and T9. So, first let us find T8. To find T8, since we have to find T8, put r is equal to 7 in 1. So, we get T 7 plus 1 is equal to 15C7 into 3 power 15 minus 7 into minus 2 whole power r is 7 into x power 15 minus 3 into 7. So, that will be equal T8 will be equal to 15C7 into 3 power 8 into minus 2 whole power 7 into x power 15 minus 3 sevens are 21. That is T8 is equal to minus 15C7 into 3 power 8 into 2 power 7 into x power minus 6. So, T8 is equal to minus 15C7 into 3 power 8 into 2 power 7 divided by x power minus 6 can be written as 1 by x power 6. That is, by using the formula a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Next, we have to find T9. So, to find T9, we shall put r is equal to 8 in equation 1. So, put r is equal to 8 in 1. So, we get T of T 8 plus 1 is equal to 15C 8 into 3 power 15 minus 8 into minus 2 power 8 into x power 15 minus 3 into 8. So, T9 is equal to 15C8 into 3 power 15 minus 8 is 7 into minus 2 whole power 8 into x power 15 minus 3 8s are 24. So, T9 is equal to 15C8 into 3 power 7 into 2 power 8, because minus whole power 8 is plus into x power 15 minus 24 is minus 9. So, T9 will be equal to 15C8 into 3 power 7 into 2 power 8 divided by x power 9. 15C8 can be written as 15C7 So t power 9 will be equal to 15c7 into 3 power 7 into 2 power 8 divided by x power 9. These two terms are the middle terms of the given expansion. That completes this problem. Okay, thank you.